Welcome back to part 2.
2 seconds later, after I warm up my hands.
Yeah, this is... Oh, yeah. I forgot. I also bought these on eBay, and I got this little note.
What does it say?
It says, Dear James, thank you for your purchase order. I hope you like it.
Thank you. Arigato.
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 Atsushi.
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 Oh, that's a Pokemon artist. Not that exact person, but Atsushi Nishida.
Alright.
Nishida.
So, now we're going to open up our freezing packs.
Oh my god!
Because...
Our hail, freezing, and freezing blizzard.
Oh my god. See what we go through to get entertainment to you guys.
Yeah, we go through freaking blizzard condition, weather, and cold! Which are the same thing. Let's hope for a full art. / shiny.
Pawniard. Oh. The alien.
Belgium.
Fauna? No.
Deerling.
Deerling.
Bronzong.
Bronzong.
And
the evolved form.
Behem.
Behem.
Do you want me to say them, or do you want to try and do it yourself? You little kid.
God, I can pronounce them all wrong. That's what I'll do. I'll
yeah, you do
pronounce them all
that.
wrong. Alright. So we got Riolu. Whoop. We got Petalil. We got Wigglyuff.
Wigglyuff.
We got a B-Sharp.
Oh, it's so... that's in Noble Victories.
And it looks like a Pokemon Center?
Yeah, Pokemon Center. Pokemon X Center. Ah.
Huh.
I wish we were them. They're so shiny.
Because they live in Florida.
Shiny,
no, because they live in Florida.
Oh, they do live in Florida. I freaking hate them. Where did that note just go?
Where'd
you go? Oh, there you are.
What's your name? Remember. Litwick.
Litwick. Oh, I saw it.
Deerling. Snowcone.
Snowcone.
DCE.
Oh, it's back Ohio.
Simisage.
Yes. Just take all this and all this.
Because I guess he has sage growing off the top of his head.
Very good, James. He will cry if he doesn't get something.
Ralts. Growlithe.
Oh, Ralts? Oh, I love that art.
Vanillux. Cryogonal. Why do I remember that?
Yeah, why do you remember that one? Heavy Ball.
Heavy Ball? Because it's heavy.
Awesome.
I don't know why maybe because that one just stuck out.
Yeah.
Pawniard. Pidove.
Curlia.
Oh,
that is so awesome! QREM EX. Oh my gosh, I love QREM so much.
Oh, I love my life.
Oh, it's so awesome.
And this guy's like...
Awesome. So we got Mewtwo.
This guy's like, I am calm. I have arrived. Hello, me lord.
Not Squidward's voice, but you know. Because Squidward says that way. Oh, I should have brought my juice up here. Oh well. Where is Daddy? He spelled odor wrong. I mean, order wrong. Look. Odor.
Oh. Oh well.
It's funny.
Pikachu! Oh my god!
What? Wait, is it another EX or a full art? Or... Wait, is it a... Isn't it? I think it's an EX.
What's this Pokemon's name?
Behem. No, Elgem.
Elgem.
Oh,
Regigigas!
Those are really close together. That's weird.
I'm liking
That's
my
awesome.
luck.
That's awesome.
And Swazbuck!
And Swaz... Yeah, Swazbuck's on. Yeah. Wait, oh, you're mixing them up. Oh, no, you're not. Okay. Okay, that one goes there. I just want to be organized.
I'll organize...
Your face.
Your face! Dinkleberger. Vanillux.
Yeah, Vanillux. Very good, very good.
Growlithe.
You're like, oh.
Hippopotamus. I should know that.
Yeah.
Darumagin Z.
Xenophore.
Lapras.
The one we couldn't remember for the ice types in first gen.
Ice, like my fingers.
Yeah. It's just so fitting. Oh.
I hate you, Hill.
I hate cold. Like, some people say they'd rather be cold than hot. I think I'd rather be hot, like, really.
Alright, so we got
hot and
a Vanillux, a Wigglytuff,
close enough.
Pawniard,
Oh,
Arcanine.
That's awesome. Oh, I love that art on that.
And Weavile.
Weavile.
Weave Evile.
That's 2 hollows.
Every villain delicious lemons.
Otherwise known as evil.
Otherwise known as snow, which is evil.
It is.
Jigglypuff. Bronzo. That's not Bronzong.
Bronzor.
Bronzor. Pansage. Raichu.
Oh,
that's
so cute.
freaking adorable.
Oh, that's by a kawaii.
And a female Oon pheasant.
It is female. We got that in emerging powers. Let's set that sucks. That was purposely shivering. Is my dad still not home yet, really?
He is.
He's supposed to be bringing us like a smorgasbord of food.
I'm telling you, nowhere is open. Farmington Avenue is closed.
We will get some food. We will get it. We will get the food.
Deerling. The thing that you've also bit off. Growlithe. This is like the mushroom guy.
Amoongus. Oh, that's my kawaii. That's sexy art.
This is Beartic.
That's awesome.
Beartic.
Terbic.
Beartic.
That too? Yeah, right there. Oh, my turn? Cool.
Yeah. Andrew, I'm gonna go warm up my hands on your neck.
Don't! Why? Oh,
your neck's so
I
warm.
hate you. No, it's not. It really isn't. It's a lie. Give me some of that.
Oh, no!
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, my gosh. It makes us go psycho for hail. Psycho in a blizzard is what we're going. I wonder what people will say
Apparently
about
Andrew
this.
doesn't like cold fingers on his neck.
Are you kidding me? Why would I like that? I can't open this.
Oh, sweatshirt.
Almost there.
I'm a little offended that you just stuck your arm all the way on my arm.
Well, you kind of stole my neck heat. Pikachu. Shock me with your thunder. Hi. Okay, Chikapoo. Seasonal.
Seasonal. Lampert.
Hold on. Pamlent. Coolario.
He
Awesome.
is quite cool.
Shut up.
And not cool as in the freezing, which I am.
Yeah, cool as in the cool. And a Lapras.
And a Lapras.
Lapras.
I hate you, Lapras. You're making my life cold.
Ugh.
Just like
All
that
these
bear
freaking
tick.
water types in here. Let's see how good is the light right now?
Pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't really tell.
You didn't really need light.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do easy open. Yeah!
If only it was
Well,
really efficient.
Yeah, it is actually kind of. Look at that. Ralt's amazing artwork. It's like New York City or something. I almost said Churine. Petalil. Hippopotamus. Oh my gosh!
that's a full art.
Yes, it is! Oh my gosh! That is so awesome! At least we got a full art. Oh,
It's textured.
look. Oh, yes. Dude, I love that. Look at the background and everything. Hippowdon. Look at it. That was so unsuspecting. And I was like, I'm here! I have arrived! Unacceptable! Actually, this is very acceptable. Hey, his head is like Lemon Grab. Like,
That's what I'm gonna call him from now on. His name is Lemon Grab.
Lemon Grab EX. Right here. That looks so awesome. You want to hold it? In your freezing hands? And we got it in a Ralts pack. I mean, a pack with Ralts in it. I'll just put him right there.
Look at it!
I know! Oh, and you got the normal EX of it, too. Now let's hope for shiny as well.
Or another full art. Or
No.
another EX. Or another EX.
Or another full art.
Or another EX.
Or a shiny.
And over a rock. With a whale!
And with a whale! We love borrowing! It popped.
What? This is not good, Patrick! This is not good! No, that's another.
Yeah, it is. Vanillite, Tranquil, Hippopotamus, Vanillux. That's actually pretty cool artwork, but I hate the Pokemon, so...
That's why
Lovable.
That's why the art is good. It's like, we need to make this Pokemon cool.
Yeah.
I call it Ice Climbers.
Ice Climbers. Creative. Ugh. If only it could warm us up. Let's sell all these cards for a heater. I think that would suffice.
Let's just burn the commons and uncommons.
Yeah. No.
And then absorb the heat.
Yes.
I heard that EXs burn harder.
Come to.
Yeah,
He's mocking us.
Pit of Litwick, Pokemon Center, Swazbuck.
I know it's Sawsbuck, but Swazbuck.
I know, Swazbuck's more fun to say.
Let's do the rest. Oh, I also got stickers.
Oh, Karopi stickers. Yeah, Karopi. Those look funny. Well, that's what it says. I was like, isn't it just Karopi? And then I'm like, no.
That's what frogs say in Japan.
They do.
I learned that from Soul Eater.
LOL! Soul Eater! Soul Eater? Oh, look at this.
I was not expecting all the Mizunes to go together.
Form together? Oh, I love Mizume. I like so much. She's so cool.
Transform into
the big one.
The hot one.
Yeah, the hot one.
Which then fought with Blair.
Yeah. Comically.
And by fought, I mean they groped each other.
Anyway, there are 2-year-olds watching. No. What is this? Pansage?
Pansage!
Yeah. Jigglypuff, Curlia. I really want the Gardevoir Hollow. Hippowdon. And Ceylon. I almost said Dent. Which is his Japanese name. Because he has a dent in his head. Anyway.
Does he?
No. I was just being humorous.
5 packs left, including this one.
5 packs left, including this one.
Wait.
I don't know if I'm going to get boxes of these because I might as well just, buy the cards I want. Because the shinies are like $70. And I think it'd be better to just buy them. Plus Darkrush will probably be out by the time. There's going to be full art Darkrai EX, by the way.
I saw.
Bronzor.
I know, but we each need a box each of the Dragon set.
Oh my gosh, I know! I want to complete that set so bad because it's like the Lost Link of Black and White. Anyway, I like this next card. What's this? What is this? It's Fungus and Chandelure, who's one of my favorite Pokemon.
But not the shiny one?
But not the shiny one. Oh, the battery!
Oh my god.
We're good. Heavy Ball. Oh, that's a hollow. Here, take it.
How much time do we have left?
It doesn't say how much time we have left, but we're running out.
Oh my god.
I should have charged this thingy. Fungus, Darumaka, Bronzor, Zapdos, that's awesome, and
the trio.
Amoonguss.
Among Us.
There's a fungus among us. There's a fungus among us. Creative names.
Conkelder.
Because he's an elder and he conks things.
With concrete.
Yes.
And you're being violent.
Litwick. Oh, awesome. Litwick, Cubchoo. Pit of. Awesome freaking Gardevoir Hollow by Mizue. Not Mizue. No. I'm stuttering. Cathedral. Cryogonal. 2 more Pakusu.
Cryogonal.
Ah, jeez.
Cryo means cold. Like Andrew's fingers.
Shut up. I'm getting like frostbite. Or finger bite.
It's only like 38 degrees outside.
Oh. Riolu. Vanillite. Darumaka. Weavile. Hippowdon. Last pack. Passlack.
Come on. Last EX. Or 4. Anything.
Curlia. Curlia. That's depressing. Curlia. Jigglypuff. Pansage, Double Color Synergy, and Swazbuck. Swazbuck. Can we recap what we got? Here, let me go.
Do foils and hollows.
Gardevoir, Zapdos, Chandelure, Vanilluxe, Lucario, Arcanine, and Bisharp. And we got freaking full art Regigigas, which is awesome. EX, and we got a Kyurem EX and a Regigigas EX normal. So excuse me. So James has both Gigas is unacceptable.
Alright, I think we're done.
This weather is unacceptable!